Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome to another exciting episode where we delve deep into the mysteries of the financial markets. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of trading and unlocking the secrets to consistent profitability. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding the market's inner workings can be a game changer. We'll be your guides on this journey, exploring two powerful concepts: smart money concepts, or SMC, and price action trading. These strategies are not just buzzwords, they are the foundation of many successful trading systems. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about these approaches? Well, SMC focuses on understanding the behavior of institutional investors, the so-called smart money, while price action trading emphasizes reading the raw price movements on the charts. Imagine being able to anticipate market moves, understand the intentions of big players, and make informed trading decisions. This isn't just about following trends, it's about understanding the underlying forces that drive market movements. That's the power SMC and price action bring to the table. By combining these two approaches, you can develop a robust trading strategy that adapts to different market conditions. By understanding how institutional investors operate and deciphering the language of price charts, you gain a significant edge in the market. This knowledge allows you to see beyond the noise and focus on the signals that matter. Get ready to take your trading to the next level. With the insights and strategies we'll share, you'll be well equipped to navigate the complexities of the market and achieve your financial goals. So, buckle up and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Let's start by demystifying the world of smart money concepts. SMC boils down to understanding how the smart money think hedge funds, institutional investors, and market makers operate in the market. These players aren't just throwing darts at a board, they're making calculated moves based on sophisticated strategies and access to vast amounts of information. By understanding their tactics, we can anticipate market direction and potentially profit alongside them. Now let's talk about price action. Imagine walking into a bustling marketplace. You see vendors selling their wares, customers haggling for the best deals, and the overall energy of the market. Price action is like reading the language of this marketplace, but instead of goods, we're analyzing the price movements of financial instruments. By studying candlestick patterns, support and resistance levels, and other price chart formations, we can gain insights into the balance between buyers and sellers and identify potential trading opportunities. Remember the smart money we talked about? These institutions need liquidity to execute their large orders without significantly impacting the market. That's where liquidity zones come in. These are areas on the price chart where large orders are likely to be filled, often characterized by high trading volume and price consolidation. By identifying these zones, we can anticipate potential price swings and position ourselves accordingly. Alright, let's dive into order blocks, often referred to as the footprints left behind by institutional investors. These order blocks are essentially clusters of large orders that have been executed by big players in the market such as hedge funds, mutual funds, and other financial institutions. Now think of these order blocks as areas on the price chart where large orders were previously filled. These areas are significant because they represent points of high liquidity and interest. When these large orders are placed, they can create a noticeable impact on the price movement of a security. These zones indicate a strong interest from either buyers or sellers. For example, if a large number of buy orders are executed at a certain price level, it suggests that there is strong buying interest at that level. Conversely, a large number of sell orders indicate strong selling interest. By spotting these order blocks, we can anticipate potential price reversals or breakouts. This is because these areas often act as support or resistance levels. When the price approaches an order block, it may either bounce back or break through, depending on the strength of the buying or selling pressure. For instance, a bullish order block suggests strong buying pressure, which could potentially lead to a price surge. Traders often look for these bullish order blocks as signals to enter long positions, expecting the price to rise, which could potentially lead to a price surge. On the other hand, a bearish order block indicates strong selling pressure, which could result in a price drop. Identifying these blocks can help traders set their entry and exit points more effectively. So by identifying these key areas, traders can make more informed decisions about their next moves in the market. understanding the concept of order blocks and how they influence price action is crucial for anyone looking to improve their trading strategy. By paying attention to these footprints left by institutional orders, traders can gain valuable insights into market dynamics and enhance their chances of success. Section 6. Break of structure, shifting market sentiment. Imagine a sandcastle on the beach. It represents the existing order in the market with buyers and sellers in a particular balance. Now imagine a wave crashing onto the shore, changing the landscape. That's what a break of structure represents in trading. It's a significant price movement that breaks through established support or resistance levels, indicating a potential shift in market sentiment. By recognizing these breaks, we can adapt our trading strategies to the changing market dynamics. Section 7. Candlestick patterns, clues from the battlefield. Candlestick patterns are like clues left behind on a battlefield, telling the story of the battle between buyers and sellers. Each candlestick, with its body and wicks, reveals information about the price action during a specific time frame. By learning to read these patterns, such as bullish engulfing patterns or bearish shooting stars, we can gain insights into the balance of power between buyers and sellers and make more informed trading decisions. Section 8. The power of confluence, combining SMC and price action. Now here's where it gets really exciting. When we talk about trading, the goal is always to find an edge, a strategy that gives us a higher probability of success. By combining smart money concepts, SMC, and price action, we can achieve just that. This combination allows us to see the market from multiple perspectives, giving us a more comprehensive understanding of market movements. By combining SMC and price action, we create a powerful synergy that amplifies our trading edge. SMC helps us understand the underlying market mechanics, such as liquidity zones and institutional order flow, while price action provides us with real-time signals based on the actual price movements. This dual approach allows us to make more informed trading decisions. Let's look at an example. Imagine you're analyzing a chart and you identify a liquidity zone just below a key resistance level. This is a critical area where many traders have placed their stop-loss orders, creating a pool of liquidity that can be targeted by institutional players. Imagine identifying a liquidity zone just below a key resistance level. This zone is crucial because it represents an area where the price is likely to react. Traders often place their stop-loss orders in these zones, making them attractive targets for larger market participants. Further analysis reveals a bearish order block within that zone. An order block is a price area where institutional traders have placed large orders, and it often acts as a strong level of support or resistance. When we see a bearish order block within a liquidity zone, it strengthens our analysis and increases the likelihood of a price reversal. This confluence of factors suggests a high probability shorting opportunity. The combination of the liquidity zone and the bearish order block provides us with a clear signal that the price is likely to move downwards. By taking a short position in this scenario, we can capitalize on the anticipated price movement. By combining institutional order flow analysis with price action signals, we can significantly increase our odds of success. Institutional order flow analysis helps us understand where the big players are placing their trades, while price action signals give us real-time entry and exit points. This powerful combination allows us to trade with greater confidence and precision, ultimately leading to more successful trades. Section 9. Conclusion: your journey to market mastery. Congratulations! You've just scratched the surface of SMC and price action trading. Remember, mastering these concepts takes time, practice, and dedication. By understanding how the smart money operates and learning to read the language of price charts, you're well on your way to becoming a more confident and profitable trader. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into specific trading strategies and risk management techniques. Stay tuned.